guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 11. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. I am on my way out. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. On my way out, I'm heading to a bike shop. We are going bike shopping for my nephew. It's cold. Oh my god. We are going bike shopping for my nephew. The time now is about 9:30, I think. Pretty early. I don't even know why we are going this early. But okay. I just crossed the road now. Very dangerous. Because I didn't cross where I'm supposed to cross. I'm heading to the car right now. That's why you see me panting. Hi guys. It's me again. My crusty lips. Yeah? Yeah? Check. So you guys, I am at the car wash. It's been a while I brought my car to be washed. I've always been washing my car by myself in the house. But it's time for it to get washed like thoroughly from the outside. So I'm going to go in now and see how much it costs, and then go ahead and wash my car. So I'm with this small boy here. It's giving me trouble. Can you see it, guys? Let me show you guys the small boy. Yeah, what is it? Okay. Yeah. And what happened? What happened? Maybe I should go home and drop him before I come back. That won't be a bad decision. Wait, should I drop you home first? Because you seem to be very uneasy. You look like you're going to disturb me. Let me go in and check how much it costs, and then I'll come out and decide whether I drop him first, I come back and wash the car, or I wash the car and then we go home together. Okay, so see you guys later. You, what am I going to do with you? So you guys, we're just coming from inside now, and it cost €6 to wash the car just from the outside, because I washed the inside of the car last week and a little bit of the outside. But I don't think I did a good job washing the outside of the car, so I'm going to thank God they said there is the automatic washing. That is, we just stay in the car and the robot, is it a robot or what? The robot washes the car itself from the outside. So that's good. So I don't need to wash the car myself here. So yeah, let's do that. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready with your dirty nose? Are you ready? Okay, let's go and wash the car. So we're actually waiting now. Let me show you guys. I'm on a road actually. I'm actually waiting to go inside for the robot to wash the car from the outside. And of course, I'm with this guy. I had to take him out of his seat because, yeah, as you can see, he won't let me be. Huh, small man? Small man. Say cheese. Cheese. So cute. Let me show you guys. I'm standing on the next. Yeah, I'm on the second person to go in. Are you scared? You know? Sorry. Sorry about the background noise. We are currently building my mom's new bed. Okay, that was her birthday surprise. So the guys just came to the delivery guys and building guys just came to deliver it, and they're mounting it right now. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like later on. So yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Time right now is about 2:12. So yeah, let me show you guys the process of putting the bed together. The bed is done, it's laid. It's how do I say it? It's a leather bed. It's a bed with leather material, it's not a leather bed. So I'm still to paint the wall. Yesterday I painted that side white, and I have to finish painting this side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now before I go and pick my nephew from the crèche. So yeah, let's do that. I just finished painting right now. Let me show you guys. I just finished painting all of this wall. As you can see, my hands are filthy. I just finished painting the wall. I've gone and picked up my my nephew from the crèche, and he won't let me walk. So yeah, I'm going to allow the paint dry up now, and then I'm going to fix the room. The weather is becoming very dark already, and it's just 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So yeah, I'm going to clean up a little bit, clean up the floor, and then I'll get back to you, and then I'll fix the bed, and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Let me take care of this boy. I'll see you guys later. It's good you came back early so you can help me to put the mirror back up. I couldn't carry it myself. Yeah, that side is this side that is not dry. He's fine.